Hello everyone, I am Vishwajit and representing Doremi. In this video, you can see in my hand a puzzle cube. I am solving this puzzle, but the shape is cube. Cube is very important shapes. So in this video, I will show you how to make a cube out of a paper. Making cube is very important because if we know how to make the cube, we can make a lot of things. We'll be very creative on that. Around you, many things you can find out that is cube shapes only. So, look around and comment us what object you can see is in cube shapes. And here our puzzle is also solved. You can also be a part of our art gallery, so send your artwork, art videos and any other talent videos in our mail ID and contact us in our WhatsApp number.
You know, Doremi is a platform nourishes the star to shine. So join our platform and keep shining bright. So let's see.
We'll learn cube making in digitally and manually. Approximately in the middle of the paper, I will draw a line. This is my A4 sheet paper. Now I will measure 5 semi from top. Now in the left side, all the measuring will be in semi. In the left side, I am again measuring 5 semi, and the right also I am measuring 5 semi. I am drawing a slipping line on that. Now both the sides of our supporting middle line, I will measure 5 semi. Left side will be 2.5. Left side and right side, both the side will be 2.5. Total is 5 semi. Now and the down also look very carefully, 2.5 both the sides, but total is 5 semi. Now we'll draw a line. So with this 5 semi, follow how I am doing. Same I am doing again. From that slipping line I have measured 5 semi in right and left. Again one more slipping line. So look, the box we have got on the top and the down, both are 5 semi in 4 sides. This is a square. Now we are going to draw more 2 square in left and right. You have to measure in 5 semi length and width. You know the squares, all sides are same. Use your scale to draw the line straight. Now, gradually in the down also, we have to draw the same size of square, 5 semi length, 5 semi width. Very simple and very interesting. This is going to be a fun. Follow how I am doing. And the rest of the part we have to cut. I will show that in manually also. So don't worry. All your confusion will be cleared. Now I am showing some dotted line. Along with this line we have to fold this, because we have to paste our shapes with the gum. So these spaces I am keeping using the dot. That is very important, so don't forget. Now our drawing is completely done. Now we will cut this. So I am using a grey color so that you can understand how we have to cut our drawing. I am cutting along with the dotted line. Yes, exactly follow what I am doing. Now the part I am erasing, that's when I am cutting that part. We don't need that part. Don't be confused. I will show you in manually also. So don't skip. Be very careful. Be very attentive. Look, gradually our drawing is getting relief. Wow, we all can identify our drawing. Look, exactly, we have got our drawing. Now seen manually. So first you need to fold the paper from the middle, that you will get approximately a dot in the middle. That will help you to draw a middle line. So I have drawn the middle line using that scale. Okay, now 2.5 in both the sides of our supporting middle line. And now all the lines I have drawn and measured 5 semi. So each box is 5 semi. This is a square shapes. So all 4 sides are 5 semis. Now we have to draw 3 square shapes. So each is 5 semi, 5 semi. So when you are holding your scale in the middle of our supporting line, so you can take it 7.5. Then both the sides will be equal of our supporting line. Then you take 5 semi, 5 semi each. Same you do for the both of the line. Look, each the box is 5 semi. Now again 2 more 5 semis I am measuring to draw 2 more square. So this way I have drawn, and now we have to cut out the outer part. And this is the dotted line. Now look how I am cutting. I have already cut out. Look, exactly the shape is looking like that. Now I am folding. First we will fold all this dotted line. This will help us to fix the box. Now I am folding all the boxes lines. I am very excited because our shape is going to be completed. So this way you have to paste it. Now we need gum. Now this is the time pasting our shapes. So be very gentle. Be very gentle. Don't use too much of gum. Use little bit of gum. You need to use your gum exactly on the folding. Now look, it is done and it is looking perfect square shapes. I hope you liked it. And you can make many of it in different color. So try it and send the pic of that. We will promote your talent also. If you like the video, subscribe, press the notification bell, choose all option like, comment and share. Thank you.